Nextcloud File Storage Honest Review. Watch before using. Nextcloud is an open-source, self-hosted file storage solution designed for individuals and businesses looking for full control over their data. Unlike cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, Nextcloud allows you to host your files on your own server, ensuring privacy and security. It supports file synchronization, sharing, and collaboration across multiple devices, making it ideal for teams, enterprises, and privacy-conscious users. The platform offers end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and fine-grained access control, giving you full control over who can access your files. It also integrates with various third-party apps, including document editing tools like OnlyOffice and Collabora, calendar and contact syncing, and even chat and video conferencing features. Performance-wise, Nextcloud is highly customizable but requires technical knowledge to set up and maintain, as it relies on a server infrastructure that you must manage. If you're comfortable with Linux and server administration, it's a powerful and cost-effective alternative to mainstream cloud storage providers. However, for non-technical users, the initial setup and ongoing maintenance can be challenging. Compared to mainstream services, Nextcloud excels in data privacy, but it doesn't offer the seamless plug-and-play experience of Google Drive or OneDrive. Upload and sync speeds depend on your server's performance, and additional configurations are often required to optimize performance. While the mobile and desktop apps are functional, they sometimes suffer from sync issues and require manual troubleshooting. Security is a major advantage. Since you own the infrastructure, there's no risk of third-party surveillance or data mining. However, this also means security is your responsibility, so regular updates and proper configurations are essential to avoid vulnerabilities. Pricing-wise, Nextcloud is free to use if you self-host, but hosted options and enterprise plans come with costs. If you need reliability without server management, providers like Nextcloud AIO or managed hosting services can help. Ultimately, Nextcloud is best for users who prioritize privacy, data sovereignty, and flexibility over convenience. If you need full control over your files and are willing to handle the technical setup, it's one of the best self-hosted storage solutions available. However, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, mainstream cloud storage might be a better fit. Let me know in the comments if you've used Nextcloud and what your experience has been like.